Currently we are at Patia Square. We are in front of the Big Bazaar, and it is a commercial hub for all the nearby locations. So we are going to start from here, and then we are going to move towards the workshop side. ये हो गया, ये दिखा दिया. This is a Suzuki two-wheeler showroom. We also got Mahindra two-wheelers here. Samsung. This area is also known as Kit Square.
No, this is not Kit Square.
So currently we are on the Nandankanan Road, and after the construction of a bridge over Mahanadi, this is going to be the main lifeline of the city, and it is going to be the main connecting road between Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. So there are many upcoming residential projects in this particular area. As we can see on both sides of the road, there are many independent housing complex. Here are a few apartments. These are called Subhadra apartment. Here are few more upcoming projects. This is a project by Jayashree Construction, and approximately 200 flats are going to come up in 3 different areas. This parcel of the land has already been declared as a residential approved land parcel by the state government. If you further focus on the back side, we can see there are many residential projects which have already been developed.
सीधा आगे करना.
Now this is one of the biggest residential projects throughout Bhubaneswar. These are called Z1 apartments. This is currently under development, and we have got more than 300 flats which have been already occupied.
इसकी तरफ दिखाना.
Now this is the biggest residential project of Bhubaneswar which I was talking about. This is called Mani Tribhuvan, and we have got more than 1000 flats in 7 different buildings, and there is still a parcel of land which is available and which they are currently developing. So there is they are saying that more than 300 flats are coming up. in this same complex only, Mani Tribhuvan. So moving ahead, this is the same Mani Tribhuvan which I was talking about.
आगे दिखा।
Further, as you can see on my left hand side, there are many independent projects which are coming up, and this complete area has been declared as residential. The land use has also been changed.
आगे चल के देखते हैं। आगे आगे करो।
This is one of the largest residential complex, and it has been almost more than 90% occupied. It is called Royal Lagoon. It is from Ashiana Builders. The approximate number of flats in this particular complex is 600. As you can see, in this particular area on my left hand side, another residential project coming up. Now on my right hand side, now this road further goes towards Nandankanan. Straight ahead, if we move, we can also go to Cuttack, and this is the same bridge I was talking about, which is going to be opened within the next 15-20 days, and it would become the lifeline of Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. Moving ahead, we have got independent residential area called Raghunathpur. There are hundreds of independent homes which have been plotted in this particular area. Also, looking at the future potential of this particular area, many commercial projects like this complex are also coming up. This particular property has been bought by Utkal Group, and they are further coming up with their residential project here, as you can see. This is also going to be the one of the biggest projects in Bhubaneswar, although the exact number is not known, but it is going to be north of 500 flats they are going to come up here with. On my left hand side, as you can already see, the land parcel has already been plotted, and on the back side also many projects are under development. The complete
ऐसा क्या होता है ना, ये शीशा के ऊपर आ जाते हैं।
As you can see further ahead, we have got a 6-lane road. On both sides of the road, we have got three lanes. Because as per the future potential, the government had started developing this road quite early. So the transit time, although the distance in kilometers may be few, but the transit time is very less because there is hardly any signal on this road after Patia Square. Okay, now on my left hand side, as you can see, this is particular green zone. This area hasn't been occupied because it has been declared some protected area because of its close vicinity to the Nandankanan Zoo, so that government can also expand in future. But we have got 2-3 establishments here like St. Xavier's International School. Further, we have got a police station here. And as you can see, there is a long queue of vehicle, and all these people are enjoying their day in the Nandankanan Zoo.
Towards Nandankanan.
On the left hand side, we can see this is the entry of Nandankanan Zoo. It is an international zoo, and it is the one of the most popular tourist attraction not only in Bhubaneswar but throughout Odisha. On both sides of the road, you can see a very long queue of vehicles. Further, this nearby vicinity is protected area, so
Not protected area.
no commercial development is here.
यार WhatsApp area में क्या बता रहे थे?
अच्छा, this workshop है.
तो गलत बता दिया.
अच्छा, इसको काट देंगे फिर.
This is site. This is site.
Now, as you can see, the land parcel within this ribbon is the proposed site. The land parcel adjoining this particular site has already been acquired by some building organization. This road moves further ahead to Cuttack, and here we have Bhubaneswar.